Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to place calls using Gmail in just 5 minutes. This process is quite simple, and I will walk you through every necessary step to ensure your account is configured correctly for easy communication. Let's get started. First, open Gmail on your computer. Once your inbox is visible, navigate to the top right corner and click on the gear icon, which represents your settings. From the resulting drop-down menu, select See All Settings to access the complete configuration page. Once you are in the main settings area, look for the tab labeled Chat and Meet, typically found near the top of the menu. Click this tab to reach the section where you can enable Google Chat, a requirement for making calls through the platform. On this screen, select the Google Chat option to activate it. It is essential to finalize these adjustments, so scroll down and click the Save Changes button. Your page will automatically refresh, and once it reloads, you will be ready to move forward. Now, look at your Gmail sidebar where a new chat option should be visible. Click this to open the chat interface where you will start your call. To begin, locate the New Chat button, which usually features a plus sign or a small icon. Clicking this opens a search bar where you should enter the email address of the person you want to reach. As you type, Gmail will provide contact suggestions. Click the correct one and then hit Start Chat. This action opens a dedicated conversation window. Within this chat window, you will see several icons at the bottom. Find the video call icon, which looks like a small camera. Clicking this will start a video call with your contact directly inside Gmail. Make sure your microphone and camera are functional so you can begin your face-to-face session. You are now fully prepared to make calls using Google Chat right from your inbox. This tool improves productivity and adds a personal element to your digital interactions. Thank you for following this guide, and I hope you find this feature useful.